Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marsha Johnson, and today we're going to be talking about Intelligence Prime Capital, guys. One of my favorite projects right now. And we're just going to be talking about things that we love about IPC right now, guys. Like how amazing this platform really is, like how it's changing people's life, guys. Like every single day, it's just changing people's life, helping people to create life-changing income. And I just really appreciate what the owners have done, for us to be able to just create an income freely, passively, easily, every single day, guys. This is beginner friendly. Like I said, all you have to do is basically come and subscribe to whatever bot you want, fund your account, and just, you know, earn your money. That's it. Watch your money grow, guys. How easy is that? That is just really like baby proof, if you ask me, guys, really. But like I said, I really enjoy the program. I enjoy mostly because they're on top of things. Nothing is perfect, but what I really admire about them is that they try to get everything under control no matter what the issues they're facing. A lot of the members used to have issues with all different things, and they fix it. They literally just go in and just take care of those whatever it was, whatever problem it was that us members were having. They just literally eliminate everything and just continue to improve the platform for us to use, and just for so that we can have an amazing experience, I would say, which is exactly what I'm having. So today, I just want to again go over a few things that I love. These are the things that I love, guys. Like I said, this is beginner friendly. And, first of all, you don't have to be recruiting. You don't have to recruit soul to get paid, guys. This is huge because I'm used to this space. I know what it is with network marketing. I've been in network marketing and all that kind of stuff. So when I see a program like this comes along, I'm very happy and very excited to just be able to earn money. And not just myself, like I can bring it to someone and they can also earn money just by investing their own, pretty much. Like you really don't have to, you don't have to bring anyone in to earn money in this. This is really just so easy for you to just, to make life-changing income with this project. I like the fact that it's a low entry cost, guys. Like this is huge also. And even more so, what's even better is the fact that there is no monthly fees, which is amazing. I love that, guys. You don't have to ship any products out. It's just really right here. It says money making money. That's all it is. And up to 45% a month, that's of course with the Genius bot. The other bots have different percentage, but I choose the Genius bot because I wanted more, of course I wanted to earn more profits on my money. And so that's why I choose that I felt like that was better for me, guys. There is more emphasis on investment versus recruiting. There we go. So you don't have to be worrying about, oh my God, I need this amount of people, or I need, no, this is not the program. This program is literally passively earning you and giving you a return on your initial investment. Total transparency. Definitely. I can attest to this as a member myself, because like I said, I've seen a lot of issues that came up. I wouldn't say a lot, but there were some issues that, if I can be completely honest, that came up with the platform. But they made sure that everything was fixed. Everything was just, all the members were just, everyone was addressed. That's what I like. Like they made sure everything was under control. you know, we right now, all the members right now are just enjoying this amazingness of that this platform is bringing to us. If that's even more word. But really, guys, this is exactly what we're doing. We're just here, just enjoying, you know, making this money and just, you know, just growing every single day. Like again, it says right here, simple button to either withdraw or reinvest, which is absolutely true. That's all it is. There's a button that you can either keep if you want to compound. I'm in the compounding stage, and that's what I do every week. If you want to compound, you can. If I also wanted to withdraw, I can do that also. The trades, the bot guys is have a 90%, 97% win rate. And I think it's more than that because this spot has not lost one trade yet. So I think the percentage of definitely increased. This is like 100% win rate at this time for me anyway. And my teammates who were talking about that, and I was like, yeah, because they have spot have not lost a single trade. How amazing is that? That's absolutely amazing, guys. Right here, this is one. This is where this is it right here. It is set it and forget it, guys. Literally set it and forget it. You do not have to learn difficult trading strategies. Listen, I'm not sure if you're familiar with the forex market, but I am. And I remember I was also a part of a program that you know, trading crowd platform. And not to knock that platform, that's okay. I'm just saying that I couldn't get it. You know, it's not, I couldn't understand it. And you know they but you know my teammates were winning. They, you know, they like to trade. It's just not for me. I am not a trader, and that's okay. It's not everything is for everyone. And so when I see this, this was amazing, guys. That this spot is just really, really, really amazing. um it trades on your behalf, and you know, brings you a return back on your investment. That this is what I love about this, guys. But, I'm just gonna open my back office a little bit and show you guys also that and show you guys also how, you know, like the other thing that I really love about this, guys, like what I really love about this is the fact that they inform you of everything. I think yesterday we were having a little issue with um the trading with the MetaTrader 4. And so, you know, people were saying that they didn't see the trades that they did yesterday. And it- again, when you're a member, or if you're a member, when you open your back office, if it doesn't immediately pops up, you can just go to the announcement, and you can see what announcement that they have, you know, issued out for the day, whatever technical issue it was. And this was one of them, guys. And this is also what I love. Like I said, total transparency. It is amazing. I really, really, really admire the owners for being, you know, so good with this platform. Like we're not left in the dark about anything, guys. So this is what they said. Our technical team is now fixing the issue on MetaTrader 4. So let's rest assured of this. We have realized the glitches that are happening right now. Therefore, we will solve this issue as soon as possible. Guys, like, there was something wrong with the market yesterday. You know, all this is going on because of the war and whatever is going on with Russia and Ukraine. So, you know, sometimes when things like this is happening in the world, it does affect the foreign exchange market in some way, whether it's good or bad, but it affects it in some way or another. And so for me, the fact that they were on it, you know, so for all the people who were concerned about this, they, you know, they here, we always get a message, an announcement stating what happened, why the trades didn't show up, or whatever the issue is. Like I said, I love their transparency. I love the fact that they just everything is really just transparent and explained. You don't have to, um, you literally do not have to be guessing about this platform. I like it. Another thing that I also love is, you know, just you guys, if you should see the energy of the group of the people who are winning and the people who are, of course, to see the people who are just ranking. And, like I said, this platform has created life-changing income for a lot of people. And from the day it started, and it continues to do so. And yeah, I love it. As you can see, my balance went up some, which is great. And I'm just, like I said, I'm in the compounding stage at the moment. So I'm just gonna keep compounding and just keep growing and just keep enjoying this amazing platform, guys. All right. So again, I just want to say thank you for tuning into my channel. I really do appreciate y'all for watching this program. If you're interested in learning more about IPC, I will leave my link below and signing up. But guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to definitely put that out there, that I am not a financial advisor. I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a single mom here in New York who has been and creating multiple streams of income. And so when I saw this, I was, I jumped right on it because I saw how amazing it is. And I saw how much people are winning from this. So if you feel like you could use this platform to leverage on your own, by all means, you can, just do your due diligence and before so that you're comfortable with what you're about to do with whatever. So thank you again for watching, guys. I will be doing more videos, of course, about this and other projects that I'm in. Thank you so much for watching, and you take care.